Hi, I'm Dan. I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator for the railway. This evening we're having a beaver group and cub group from Portsmouth who are coming in for an evening visit. They'll explore the widest station site all around the station, including King's Cross Bridge, the Harry Potter Bridge. They go over the bridge, through the side of the engine yard, up to our viewing gallery area, and then they're going to take part in our little loco building STEM challenge where they work in pairs to actually build a battery powered locomotive, and then they test it, and then they have a look around the rest of the station site, including the station house itself and the orchard where we are now. We have lots and lots of groups who specifically book the session, and the feedback that we have is very excellent, and it's something that they wouldn't normally be able to do at their venue. It's a unique site, they can't really go anywhere else like this on an evening. Once they get the hang of actually building the locomotive, once they know how to put it all together, they do get really competitive in terms of predicting what will happen, whether the locomotive will go forwards or backwards, and also naming the locomotive gets quite competitive as well. Also, if their locos will go fast or slow, but they only find out if their predictions are correct when it actually comes to testing them at the very end of the session. So it does get quite competitive, and they get very engrossed in building the locos and then testing them. Especially scout and guide groups, I think they like the idea of being able to access the railway after normal visiting hours, where we've actually got the whole station site to ourselves and there's nobody else here, so it's kind of behind the scenes where they can actually see everything without anybody else here, and they get to kind of see it in a different perspective as well. So even though there aren't any trains running, they can actually see things, really up close and take the time to see our locomotives, as well as the King's Cross Bridge and also at the wider station site. Visiting the railway helps to fulfil badge work, certain badge work like local history, and also their creative badge work as well as at the same time visiting a unique site as well. So they get to visit the station after hours, but also they get to fulfil their badges at the same time. To find out more about our education programme for Scouts and Girl Guiding Groups, visit watercressline.co.uk and click on the Education Experience page.